In the next 15 seconds, I'm going to show you or any of your clients how to never ask this question again. What content am I going to create today? Now, I'm not going to tell you to ask ChatGPT because while smart and despite its reputation, ChatGPT is not infallible. And this is going to demolish every excuse you've ever heard as a coach about creating content. And this one tool alone is going to completely change the game on how you help your clients generate content ideas, because honestly, what I'm about to show you is just scratching the surface. All right, 15 seconds. Go. So this is Notebook LM. This is the only AI tool where you can actually make it smarter based on the information you give it. You're going to upload the best performing content of your competitors, no matter what the format is, and select FAQ. And this is automatically going to generate frequently asked questions based on the content that you give it. So you can upload sources of information, be it a YouTube video, a blog, a website, PDF or document, or even just plain text. Essentially anything except a CSV. However, you can also export those as PDFs or even just plain text. So really anything. Now at this exact moment, you can click off this video, go play with your new shiny AI tool and see massive success. But this is just scratching the surface of the full impact this tool can really have on your business. Because creating content is a 5-step process. First, you have to get the idea. Then you have to research and highlight the key components of that idea. Then you got to script and format the information in the way you want to present it. Produce set information the way that you want to produce it, whether that be through video, writing, or audio, doesn't really matter. And then you have to distribute it. So this becomes a very highly intensive process because while simple, it can also feel never ending because once you finish that once, then tomorrow comes and you got to do it all over again. So for most, this prevents them from even starting. For some, this turns into burnout partway through the process and right before they end up seeing the success with the content they're creating. And for those who powered on through, they always end up making a video later that says, learn from my mistakes. And what I just showed you could also be applied in a number of ways, because this could be for new creators who are sitting there going, what the heck am I even going to create? You can ask this tool to do this of any existing piece of content, meaning you can also ask it any number of times, meaning that you never have to ask, what am I going to create? Because you're simply going to answer the questions that are based on successful existing content. But if you are an existing content creator, then you can upload an entire library of work about a single topic, like I did for my online course, helping people build true horse strength in their horses, and use the existing content to then create more content based on what you've already created. But you could use your existing database of content to generate infinite ideas about topics that you could expand on or go deeper on based on what you've already been producing. But this also has a micro or macro application because you could create more than one notebook in Notebook LM. So for the micro example, you could use this tool if you were going to research one piece of content and really make sure that it was everything you wanted to create. Or from a macro level, you can take all of your SEO research, your competitor research, the top performing blogs and websites in your space. And not to mention, you could even upload your own personal branding information to generate a long-term success strategy for your content for the longevity of your business and not just for that quick buck.
Now we're getting into real territory here.
Because this tool is going to take care of the first 3 steps that I mentioned, and all you have to do is push record, write that article, or record that audio, and then distribute it. So regardless of what stage you're at in your business, this is a game changer for the longevity of your content marketing in your business, and therefore the impact it can have on your business's future success. Because content is not going anywhere, because everybody's trying to find their ideal audience, but the answer is they are all online. So you have to find a way to reach them where they are at. And to help you do this, I'm about to drop my Infinite Content Marketing Ideas Playbook, which is going to help businesses of all stages develop, grow, or scale their content marketing strategies and take the what the heck to do stress out of the process of content creation so that you can focus on what is the most important, who the content is for. The link is below, and future you who doesn't want to suffer from it inevitable burnout is going to thank you. So cheers and join the waitlist down below.